Hello from Bad Oldesloe. Good to see you again, and we are here because we have some very interesting news to tell you again. That's why I'm here with our CTO, André Kasper. André, nice to meet you. Good to have you here.
Thank you very much, Nina. Nice to meet you too. And today we have really a very special thing to tell you and to show you. We want to show you our brand new Metrology package.
And with this software, you are able to get your first 3D image within just 10 minutes. So how does that work? It's very easy. You just need to install your sensor. Then you scan the object, you visualize and evaluate your measurement data, and then, you already have your first 3D image. That sounds pretty easy, right?
Right, it is.
We also have something prepared in practice for you, and therefore, André.
So for that purpose, we have Tim with us, our product manager for the Metrology package. Welcome, Tim, on stage. Before I give you the mic, I would like to ask you a question. So what exactly do we see here prepared right on stage?
Thank you, André. So what we see right here is one of our scanners of the C6 series of the latest generation. In this case, a dual head, and we connected it to our Metrology Explorer. And underneath here, we have an object we want to analyze, in this case, a metal part.
All right, so let's start the scan then, and let's see how it works.
Yeah. So what we see right now here is the point cloud we just captured. We did all the necessary settings for that in our tool right here. And we also loaded a script for this application. It evaluates the data in real time.
And as I promised, just within 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, but the Metrology package can do even more, right, André?
Thank you for the mic, Tim. Absolutely. The Metrology package is a bundle with a lot of applications, real-world applications, ranging from extrinsic calibration to electronic metrology applications. And we are really proud to have this product. We also use it internally a lot in our support and application team for doing feasibility studies, and all our customers can really benefit from it.
So from now on, we not only offer the hardware, but also the associated software packages.
So I would say, feel free to download this software and try out the countless possibilities of our brand new AT Metrology package. And then there's another thing to say. Please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube and Vimeo channel, because there are a lot of more videos to come, and we are very happy to present you even more news. So many thanks for watching.
Goodbye and have a good one.
Right. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.